Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are talking about how to share or use different Waze voices. Waze voices make navigation more fun and personalized. Open the Waze app and go to Settings. Tap on Voice and Sound, then tap on Waze Voice. You will now see a list of available voices. Some voices are standard, while others may be special or celebrity voices. If a voice supports sharing, you can select it and look for the Share option. You can also record a custom voice by choosing the Record option and following the instructions. Once selected, Waze will use that voice for all navigation instructions. Custom voices are great for fun trips or content creation. Try different voices and see which one you like best. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video.